6.9 magnitude earthquake in the Pacific Ocean. Santa Cruz is located in the southwest of the Pacific Ocean and the 6.9 magnitude earthquake occurred in the islands. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center in Nendo Island, 75 kilometers northwest of the sea after the earthquake, was 33 kilometers deep, warned tsunami. Counter made after the earthquake causing loss of goods. Tsunami warning was lifted several hours later. Santa Cruz Islands, Solomon Islands, which is attached as an administrative ranks at 400 kilometers southeast. Nendo, largest island, which is home to about 5,000 people. Vanikor and Utupu, the islands with a population of about 700,000. Pacific Ring of Fire, earthquake and volcano belt, and is located in Solomon 8 magnitude earthquake that occurred in 2013. The islands of Santa Cruz had led to a 1.5-meter tsunami. The tsunami had caused nearly 15 deaths and the destruction of many homes and the workplace.